Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to record a fixed asset sale in QuickBooks Online. If you're selling equipment, a vehicle, or any long-term asset, this is the cleanest way to do it without messing up your books. So, uh, first thing, head over to your chart of accounts. This is where your fixed asset lives, and we want to make sure the value is updated before recording the sale. Before you record the sale, make sure depreciation is current. If you haven't logged the final depreciation for the asset, go ahead and create a journal entry for it. All right, now we're actually going to remove the asset from your books. We're using a journal entry to clear out the asset's cost and its accumulated depreciation. Next, enter what you sold it for. If you received money, like say you sold a truck for $5,000, credit your income account called gain on asset sale or debit the loss on asset sale account if you sold it for less than its book value. Now just record the payment you actually received, go to New, choose Bank Deposit, and log the amount from the sale so it matches your journal entry. Finally, give everything a quick review. Your asset should be removed, your gain or loss should be recorded, and your cash account should show the deposit. Pretty simple once you do it a couple times. And that's it. Your fixed asset sale is now cleanly recorded in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the other bookkeeping walkthroughs if you want to keep your workflow smooth.